Today I want to share with something funny I discovered. So in psychology we talk about archetypes. And archetypes are basically thinking patterns. They are thought forms. And they are patterns of thinking, and you take that pattern of thinking and apply it to something, to label it, to understand it. So for example, if somebody does something which you may call heroic, so hero is an archetype, so as heroine. You can also have archetype of a rebel, so something who does something out of the box, and does something which makes you feel that he or she is very rebellious. So rebel is also an archetype. So I was thinking yesterday and I discovered this new archetype, and which is very culturally driven. So in my culture, South Asian culture, especially in Pakistan, India, there's an archetype called Fanne Khan. And there's a movie on Fanne Khan as well. Maybe it's an Indian movie which came in 2018. And this Fanne Khan is a person who is a know-it-all person, who knows everything, and pretends to be very knowledgeable and not arrogant, but it's not a bad word, but it's a funny word in our culture. And Fanne Khan is the person who knows everything, and he or she comes with the filled bowl of knowledge. And this reminds me of the Zen story where the interaction between the master and disciple, and the master asks the disciple to bring a filled bowl of water, and asks to pour from the kettle the water into the bowl. And and the disciple is amazed that the water is spilling over, and he asks the master that what do I do now? So, but the end of story is that so you come with an empty bowl, or you come with a filled bowl, because with an empty bowl you can pour knowledge or any new experience into it, and if you have the bowl filled, then you cannot have the new experience. So what I'm trying to say is that this Fanne Khan archetype is quite present in my collective, at least. And I see many Fanne Khans, and anybody can be Fanne Khan, including myself. So I can be sometimes Fanne Khan. So Fanne Khan, as I said, is a person who knows everything, and that there is nothing new to learn from, and I know everything. And you take your lens and try to apply it on others. So I'm inviting you. So how many times do you experience, or do you see that archetype operative in your reality? And you see, oh, that person is a Fanne Khan. Oh, this person is a Fanne Khan. So you meet many Fanne Khans in your life. So I was quite, I felt hilarious. It was quite hilarious when this idea of Fanne Khan came to me. And this is a very common word in our culture. And so look forward to hearing from you, how do you make of this new archetype, and which is all pervasive in my environment. People use this term very often. Fanne Khan, oh, he's a Fanne Khan, wo Fanne Khan, ye kya Fanne Khan hai. So I don't know whether in psychology we have studied this idea of Fanne Khan or not, but from a cultural perspective, I would love to see how this archetype plays out. Because I have met many people, and you have also met many people who would show this thinking pattern of Fanne Khan. So would love to hear from you. How do you make of this idea of this new archetype of Fanne Khan to be introduced in the field of psychology?